You know what? I want all of you to know that anyone can do this. Anyone is smarter than I am. I am so stupid, I should come with a tax credit from my wife just for taking care of me. I didn't worry too much about making the welds pretty or anything because this is all going to get wrapped in heat tape anyway. So it fits. We're in both ends. We have a charge pipe slash tuba, you know, but that's great. That's a big step. Now we got to make this thing be able to purge off some of that air pressure. So because this turbo is pretty good size, I did opt for 2 blow-off valves, and we're going to try to mount them like right in here somewhere, something like that. Just trying to keep it under the hood, but also very close to the intake so we get some good priority right off of this bend. And that's what we'll do now. Here's the valves we're going with. This looks like it's set up for smaller tubing. Yes, it is. So we're going to have to trim that guy up quite a bit. But somehow we got to fit 2 of these bastards around here somewhere. I don't like that. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to re-bevel these guys to bolt up. And then we got to drill or cut or somehow open up some massive friggin' holes. Oh, I do have a hole saw that size. Okay, we're good. We're good. The amount of stuff going on in this little area, like a midget at a urinal, I'm gonna have to stay on my toes. Everything is super tight, but I got the blow-off valve where I want it, just sitting there loose now. So that's ramped in, it's got great priority, it basically V's. So the exhaust gases can go to the turbo, or they can go to the blow-off valve, basically just as easily either way. And that's what you want, so you don't end up having boost creep, which is where the priority goes to your turbo more than it goes to your blow-off valve. You also have to size your blow-off valve correctly, and that's a pretty big one. I think that's a 2.5. So that way it can let that pressure out as it needs to and really control the boost level. So I think we'll be good there. Now we have to exhaust this. Now, technically, I could just turn this straight down and fire it at the pavement, but it kind of feels like cheating. And you can actually melt some pavement with that too, because I mean this is shooting flames as well. So the other option is you can duct it into our existing exhaust, but I've already kind of got that done and wrapped, and I don't want to screw with it too much. It came out really nice. Got nice brackets here that hold it in place. For a half-ass handyman, that came out okay. So I don't really want to do that either. So I'm thinking maybe I'll just run kind of a parallel tube here, have it come over and dump out just above the main exhaust. What I really would like to do, but I think it's just too fancy for no friggin' good reason. I'd really like to bring it over, have it cut across and dump out the other front quarter panel, but it's like, why would you want to add all that weight of stainless tubing just for the cool factor? But it would be kind of neat when it's up on two-step or shooting flames potentially on both sides. But I don't, nah, we're going this way. We're keeping it simple. Let's not be stupid. So there we go, came out pretty good. Really nice clearance around the tire, get full articulation, and right now it's as low as it will probably ever be. But yeah, good clearance. The pipe and the cutouts on the fender are gonna look freaking awesome. So I'm pretty excited about that. I gotta finish polishing some things up and making it look pretty, but overall, that's exactly what I wanted. I also got the O2 sensor in the main exhaust pipe as well. So we're ready to rip from that standpoint anyway. Thank you guys very much for watching. Trying to get some more video updates in here a little bit more frequently as we get into the spring, so hopefully that happens. Any comments, questions, concerns, and or criticisms, throw them down in the comment section below me. Otherwise, have a great day.